Just going to do you a quick vid on where the fuel pump is and the Discovery 2 and how to get to it. On this one, a couple of screws normally that hold these down, but it's been out that many times that they no longer exist. In the carpet, you can cut a flap out just along there, cut there, bang, there it is. The problem that we seem to have with this is we think it's got a diesel leak. We think that the ring that tightens down has come off and the pump's popped out and it's pumping diesel over the top of the tank because we just seen it running down the side. So we think that might have happened, but it did happen in the past, so it could just be diesel that was knocking about on top. So we're going to see what's happening there.
This has happened before.
Here comes Peter's posi drive. I will take all them out, and once all them are out, we'll show you what it looks like. Oh. It must have just been what was knocking about there. Look, I mean, there's still stuff in there. It must be there.
That's some paper.
Put that back on, Dad. I need to show you taking it off. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I've unscrewed that. Just underneath there, that is your pump, right there. This ring holds it on. We thought that had come off because in the past that's come off and the pump's popped up and it's pumped diesel out into here. But it looks like it's just the diesel that was left from when it happened last week. It's probably been splashing about and run over the side of the tank a little bit. We thought we'd dried it all up, but it's definitely still in there. It's tight. So that's how to get to your diesel pump. And you just unscrew this to get it off, pop them out of their holders, and out it comes. A lot easier than that P38 that we did, because the P38 we had to drop the tank, David, to get that out.
Yeah.
Which is a video one. If you look at that, we dropped the tank to get that out. This one, you can just go through the carpet. You can go through the carpet on the P38, but it's a lot closer. Right? You have to lift the seats up.
Yeah, these are quite easy to get off as well, aren't they?
Yeah, just do the. You can either use a flathead or like pinch and arse pliers. Just push them in, then pull.
And pull that out.
Yeah, and they pop out. But luckily, it's not leaking. It's just what was already sitting in there because we'd done half a job and not dried it last time. So, like and subscribe. Just a little video to help you. See you in a bit.